Hey everybody, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. It's beautiful Black Weekend, where beauty is ageless. Today, I am showing you some beautiful nails that I purchased from Nailed by Khail. Yes, I am now a brand ambassador for this company, and I am in love with her nails. All right, so right now I'm just showing you the shape that my nails are in right now. Don't judge me. And I'm showing you all of the products that was sent in this package. All right, these here are called Hollow White. I love the glitter and the white and the sparkle of it all. And these are called Nude Velvet. These are classy, business-like. I really love these nails. I cannot wait to get them on. I think I'm gonna do the Nude Velvet today. All right, so I'm just putting everything to the side, and her nail sets do come with all the tools you'll need. As you can see here, it has the glue, the cuticle stick, and the nail file, and she's also got some alcohol pads in here. Now, for me, I will not be using her nail glue because I actually have a nail glue that I love, that I use all the time, and I will not give you the name of that glue. If you know what it is when you see it, that's fine, but I will not suggest any nail glue for anyone. I would suggest using the nail glue that is provided by the company, okay? I choose the nail glue that I choose because I know what works for me, all right? So right now I'm just pushing the cuticles back and getting the nails prepped and ready to receive these beautiful nails. So let's go. All right, now that that's done, I'm going to use the file that she provided, and I'm just going to take the shine off of my nail, all right? You are not trying to file hard. You are just trying to remove the top layer very softly, very gently. All right, so let's go ahead and finish this up. And while we're doing this, I just want to let you know that all of her information will be in the description box. So check the description box for her information, Nails by Khail. Another note that I want to let you guys know, her nails are very affordable. There are nails out there that are really not for my pockets, but hers are. So that's another plus, you guys. All right, now I'm just going to use the alcohol pad provided to wipe my nails down so I can get ready to get these nails on. All right, let's get ready to make these hands look beautiful. Now, what I do like about Nailed by Khail is that she provides a way for you to measure your nail beds so that when you order your nails are exactly the size that you need. So there is no having to size your nails once you get them. They are ready to pop on. So let's get this popping. And while you're watching this, you know, I have always loved to get my nails done. I've always gone to the salon to get my nails done. Well, when the pandemic hit, I started doing my own nails. I actually started doing my own nails a little before that, but I really got more into it and learned how to do the acrylic and the poly gel and blah, blah, blah. But I found out that it is so much easier to be able to just pop on your nails and go. So I am a huge lover of press-on nails, all right? So that's why I'm so glad that I found Nailed by Khail. I am so happy to be an ambassador for her, and I see myself really rocking her nails a lot in the future. So anyway, just wanted to give you a little story. All right, everybody, now I am popping these nails on so quickly, and I just want to say, with the glue that I'm using, if you know what this glue is and you decide to use it, I did not suggest it. Let me just say that one more time. All you need is a little dot of glue. Press and hold the nail to your nail for about 10 seconds, and boom, now you can move to your next nail. Now with the glue that Nails by Khail provided, I think you may have to use a little more than just a dot, I've used this type of glue in the past, and it takes a little more glue than just a dot, I think, but still same, very easy. All right, do you see how quickly this is going down, you guys? We are on the thumbnails. Now, I will say I probably measured my thumbnail incorrectly, unfortunately. This thumbnail seems just a little bit bigger. And I think my thumbnail measured at I'm thinking 2, but I think it should have been a 3. But of course, that was my fault because you can clearly measure your own nails, or you can order her nail measuring kit and size your nails before you order. So that's my fault, but they are still working and they fit nicely. Looky, I'm done. Look how pretty they've turned out. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, these are very, very classy nails. Nude Velvet is what they call them. So I'm showing you them without putting cuticle oil on. I don't know why, but we are about to get some cuticle oil on these nails so they don't look so ashy. And this cuticle oil smells good and feels very good. So I'm going to rub this into my cuticle area and get these hands looking really, really nice for you guys. So get ready, here we go. All right, you see them? They are beautiful. And listen, you guys, even though I was filming, this still only took about 15 to 20 minutes. So imagine not filming. This is probably a 10 to 15 minute process. Nailed by Khail, you rock with me. I love you. If you want to save some money, please use my code. It is BBRICAN15. Stands for Beautiful Black Rican. Bye-bye.